Most people think the secret to a perfect night's sleep starts at 10 p.m. They're wrong. It actually starts the moment you open your eyes. And if you're checking your phone before seeing the sun, you're sabotaging your brain chemistry before the day even begins. Today, we are breaking down the sunlight blueprint, the #1 free biohack popularized by Dr. Andrew Huberman. Inside your brain sits a tiny internal clock called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It's waiting for one specific signal to start your day: photons. When morning sunlight hits your retina, it triggers a timed release of cortisol. This isn't the stress cortisol you're thinking of. This is your wake-up signal. But here's the kicker. This morning light also sets a biological timer for melatonin. By getting sun at 7 a.m., you are literally scheduling your sleep for 11 p.m. If you miss this window, your brain stays in a foggy state, unsure if the day has truly started. Rule number 1, it must be direct. Looking through a window takes 50 times longer to get the same effect because glass filters out the blue light wavelengths you need. Rule number 2, no sunglasses. You don't need to stare at the sun. Please don't do that, but you need those photons to hit your eyes. On a clear day, 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Overcast or cloudy, you'll need about 20. Within 3 days of doing this, users report a massive drop in afternoon crashes and a 30% faster time to fall asleep at night. This is the foundation of high-performance living. It costs $0, but the ROI is massive. If you're ready to reclaim your energy, type Day 1 in the comments to commit to the Sunlight Challenge. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed biohacks. I'll see you in our next deep dive.